When you think of alien predators, you probably think of spaceships and human-like animals but with fangs and claws and night vision. And you hope, maybe you pray that they do not come anywhere near your home. The truth, however, is that they are already here. And they do not look anything like you imagine. The alien predators that we have are invasive animals. And one such animal in the Chesapeake Bay region is the blue catfish. Blue catfish is a freshwater fish that is native to the Mississippi and the Missouri rivers. And it was purposefully introduced to the Chesapeake Bay tributaries in the 1970s and 80s to create a recreational fishery. Following introduction, they quickly adapted to life in the tidal rivers of Virginia, and by 1990s, a successful fishery was established. In fact, now we have a highly valuable recreational fishery for blue catfish in the freshwater portions of these rivers. The problem, however, is that now they are expanding downstream towards the more saline waters of the Chesapeake Bay, and also because these highly abundant fish are voracious predators, now we are seeing negative effects on the local populations of fishes and invertebrates. So clearly there is a great need for the management of this species, and the big question that the fisheries managers are asking is, where should we focus our resources for maximum impact? And that is the question I am addressing in my thesis. I start by assuming that blue catfish probably do not tolerate very salty waters because they come from freshwater systems after all. So I will conduct a series of experiments to determine the highest salinity that this fish will tolerate and the salinity that this fish will avoid. This will tell us how far into the bay this fish is likely to invade. Next, I will determine the amount of food that is necessary for this fish for survival, growth, and reproduction. We can combine this data with the environmental data from the Chesapeake Bay using some mathematical and statistical models to predict the density of this fish at different locations throughout the Chesapeake Bay region. The results of my research will allow fisheries managers to identify areas vulnerable to invasion and identify effective means to control the spread of this animal. By knowing more about the ability of this fish to tolerate and adapt to different salty conditions such as those found in the bay, we will be able to predict potential changes and minimize the negative effects that this alien predator has on our local fish resources. Thank you.